In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of buying options in the Moomoo app. First, you need to download the Moomoo app from your app store and create an account if you haven't already. Once you've set up your account and logged in, you'll find a user-friendly interface that makes navigating through the app quite simple. Now that you are in the Moomoo app, head to the Markets tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, you can enter the stock symbol for the company you are interested in. Once you find the stock, tap on it to access its detailed page. Look for the Options tab, which should be clearly labeled. This section will display all the available options contracts for the chosen stock. After selecting the Options tab, you'll see various options contracts with different expiration dates and strike prices. Review the options available and choose one that fits your investment strategy. Tap on the option contract you are interested in to view more details, including premiums and any other pertinent information. When you are ready to proceed, tap on the Trade button. Now you can enter the number of contracts you want to buy and review the order details. Make sure to double-check everything before confirming your purchase. Once you are satisfied, go ahead and place your order. You will receive a notification confirming the purchase, and you can track your options in the app. That's all there is to it. You are now ready to buy options in Moomoo.